कितना आसान।
प्रिय उपभोक्ताओं, आप भी आज ही नेशनल कंज्यूमर हेल्पलाइन मोबाइल ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। NCH से देश की लगभग 700 कंपनियां जुड़ी हैं, जो स्वयं अपनी कंप्लेंट्स का संज्ञान लेती हैं और तुरंत कार्रवाई करती हैं।
जागो ग्राहक जागो, जागो ग्राहक जागो।
Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu takes sortie on Sukhoi 30 MKI aircraft at Tezpur Air Force Station in Assam. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates, lays foundation stone of various projects in Telangana. Meghalaya State BJP constituted committee to look into the roster system and reservation policy. And renowned writer Ba Sumar Singh Sawian passes away. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu took a historic sortie in a Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter aircraft at the Tezpur Air Force Station in Assam. The President, who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces, flew for nearly 30 minutes covering Brahmaputra and Tezpur Valley with a view of the Himalayas before returning to the Air Force Station. The aircraft was flown by Group Captain Naveen Kumar, commanding officer of the 106 Squadron. The aircraft flew at a height of about 2 kilometers above sea level and at a speed of about 800 kilometers per hour. President Murmu is the third president and second woman president to undertake such a sortie. Later in the visitor's book, the president expressed her feelings by writing a brief note in which she said that it was an exhilarating experience for her to fly in the mighty Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today reiterated the government's commitment to realize the dreams of the people of Telangana. He cautioned against the corrupt forces in society and against those who practice family rule and believe in dynasties. He stated that Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Viswas and Sabka Prayas are the motto of the union government and that its implementation alone will fulfill the dream of true democracy as envisioned by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Prime Minister inaugurated and laid foundation stones for various rail and road projects worth over 11,000 crore rupees. He said these projects will bring in ease of travel, ease of living as well as ease of doing business in Telangana and benefit the people of the state. The Prime Minister dedicated the Secunderabad Mahabubnagar electrification and doubling project to the nation on the occasion.
इक्कीसवीं सदी का नया भारत तेजी से देश के कोने कोने में मॉडर्न इंफ्रा बना रहा है। तेलंगाना में भी बीते 9 वर्षों में रेलवे बजट में लगभग 17 गुना की वृद्धि की गई है। इससे नई रेल लाइन बिछाने का काम हो, रेल लाइनों की डबलिंग का काम हो या फिर इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन का काम हो, सभी कुछ रिकॉर्ड तेजी से हुआ है। देश भर के बड़े रेलवे स्टेशनों को आधुनिक बनाने का जो अभियान शुरू हुआ है, उसका लाभ भी तेलंगाना को मिल रहा है।
Meghalaya State BJP unit has constituted a committee to look into the roster system and reservation policy headed by Cabinet Minister A.L. Heg as chairman and other members from the BJP. This was informed by A.L. Heg. The other members of the committee included BJP Meghalaya State President Ernest Mauri, BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang, H.M. Shangpliang Ferlin, David Karsati amongst others. Heg said that only a meeting was called with senior BJP leaders and that they have discussed at length but could not come to a conclusion. He further said that they had already constituted a BJP committee on job reservation policy and this committee will discuss the matter, he added.
BJP Committee on Job Reservation Policy, headed by me as a chairman. We have fixed the meeting. The next meeting will be on 16th. It is Sunday, but no problem because it's a month. And immediately on Sunday, I convene this meeting to discuss on this very, very important subject.
Sumar Singh Sawian, a renowned columnist, writer and veteran journalist, passed away at his residence in Umroi, Ribhoi yesterday at around 10 p.m. He was 81 years old. Sawian was also a forerunner in popularizing the Khasi language and culture through his writings. He also contributed immensely to the Khasi literature. He was an active member of the Singh Khasi. Sawian was also a Meghalaya Day awardee, Utirat Singh Award for Arts and Literature in 2017. A spectacular view of the rich cultural mosaic of the Northeast has been showcased by thousands of youth from different colleges of the 8 states of the region at the playground of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM on the first day of the 7th Northeast Graduate Congress 2023. Addressing the gathering, Mahbubul Haq, Chancellor of USTM, said that they have been organizing NEGC to benefit the region's youth by helping them set their vision so that they can shoulder responsibilities and contribute to nation building. The inaugural ceremony of NEGC 2023 was witnessed by a galaxy of prominent personalities ranging from youth icons, academia, politicians, cultural and sports icons and motivational speakers.
Here we are having the congregation of students from different parts of northeastern India who is showcasing their hidden talent. USTM every year with the vision of our Honorable Chancellor Mahbubul Haq, we are doing this and we are showcasing the whole Northeast cultural events including the sports, everything by the young talents who will merge to the society as a citizen, and that's why we think that this is our moral duty as an educational institution to give avenues to our hidden talent.
In IPL cricket, Mumbai Indians will lock horns with Chennai Super Kings in Mumbai at 7:30 p.m. Earlier, Lucknow Super Giants defeated Sunrisers Hyderabad by 5 wickets at Ikana Cricket Stadium in Lucknow yesterday. Chasing 122 runs for victory, Lucknow Super Giants overhauled the target with 5 wickets in hand and 24 balls to spare. Earlier, opting to bat first, Sunrisers Hyderabad posted 121 for 8 wickets in the stipulated 20 overs. Krunal Pandya picked up 3 wickets and Amit Mishra bagged 2 wickets for Lucknow, while Adil Rashid took 2 wickets for Hyderabad. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 24.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 12.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 47% while in the evening was 41%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu takes sortie on Sukhoi 30 MKI aircraft at Tezpur Air Force Station in Assam. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates, lays foundation stone of various projects in Telangana. Meghalaya State BJP constituted committee to look into the roster system and reservation policy. And renowned writer Sumar Singh Sawian passes away. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.
গুৱাহাটীৰ বৰ্ষাপাৰা ষ্টেডিয়ামত আজি অনুষ্ঠিত IPLৰ প্ৰথমখন খেলত ৰাজস্থান ৰয়েলছে দিল্লী কেপিটেলছক জয়ৰ বাবে 200 ৰানৰ লক্ষ্য নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰি দিছে। ৰাজস্থান ৰয়েলছে নিৰ্ধাৰিত 20 অভাৰত 4টা উইকেট হেৰুৱাই 199 ৰান সংগ্ৰহ কৰিছে। প্ৰত্যুত্তৰত দিল্লী কেপিটেলছে বাতৰি লিখাৰ পৰলৈকে 13 অভাৰ 3টা বলত 4টা উইকেট হেৰুৱাই